In this video, I will write a script which replaces the word amount to the word units in all the files within the files folder. So let's do that. Again, we will use the path class and we create a files directory path object, and then we iterate over that directory for file path in files dir iter dir. We open the file path, in read mode as file and store the content in a content variable using the read method. The new content now is content.replace. You want to replace amount with units. So replace is a method of strings. As you can see with dir str, you see that replace is right here. So it gets a first argument and a second argument, and the second argument will replace the first argument in that string, content string. And then we open a new file, so we unindent, and then in the same indentation level with the previous if, we write another if with open file path in write mode, this time as file.write, new content goes in here. Run and check. So we have units for the first file, units for the second one, units for the third one. And that is the complete code. Thank you for following this. Let's have some more videos. See you in the next one.